Little storyteller.
Zorp, a friendly alien with bright purple skin and three wiggly antennae, arrived on Earth for school. He looked at a dog wagging its tail. Wow, Zorp whispered, a loyalty bot. He saw a girl petting the fluffy golden retriever. She must be its operator. Zorp saw a sleek black cat jump silently onto a fence. A stealth drone, he gasped. The cat blinked its green eyes slowly. Zorp thought, it's scanning its surroundings. A little brown squirrel darted up a tree, burying a nut. A nut caching unit, Zorp exclaimed, his antenna wiggling with excitement. He looked closely at the squirrel's furry body, trying to find a button or a charging port. One sunny afternoon, Zorp saw the golden retriever chasing a bright red ball in the park. The dog barked happily, its tail wagging faster and faster. Zorp carefully looked all over the dog. He gently patted its soft fur, but he couldn't find any panels. Later he watched the black cat rub against a little boy's legs, purring like a tiny motor. Zorp peered at the cat's smooth fur. He even looked under its tail, but there were no wires or switches. Then Zorp saw the squirrel sharing a nut with another squirrel. They chittered happily. Zorp scratched his head. If it's a nut caching unit, he wondered, why is it sharing? Zorp's teacher, Miss Lily, a kind woman with a warm smile, saw Zorp looking confused. What are you thinking about, Zorp? She asked gently. Zorp explained about the loyalty bot, stealth drone, and nut caching unit, and how he couldn't find their controls. Miss Lily chuckled softly. Those are animals, Zorp, she said. They aren't robots. The dog shows loyalty because it likes its owner. The cat is stealthy because that's how it moves. And squirrels share sometimes, because they are being friendly. Zorp's antenna drooped a little. They don't have control panels? Miss Lily smiled. No, Zorp. They have hearts and minds of their own. She pointed to a group of children playing together. Just like us. Zorp watched the children laughing and sharing their toys. He smiled. Maybe Earth animals were even more amazing than robots. The next day, Zorp saw the golden retriever again. This time, instead of looking for buttons, he gently patted its head. The dog licked his hand happily. Zorp giggled. He learned that even though animals weren't robots, they could still be wonderful friends. And just like sharing toys makes playtime fun, sharing kindness makes everyone happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.